Grabe yung babae na yan. Hindi siya natatakot. Ako kanina dyan sa hindi ako makatayo. Ayan. O, dali na, halika na. Halika na, uwi na tayo. Grabe siya. Okay, picture.
Ay, hindi. Ay.
Oh, ayan, panggatong namin sa baba.
Ay, panggatong.
Halaka. Kinukuha mo, hindi naman tayo makapag doon sa baba. Panggatong namin. Oh, pumunta pa talaga siya doon. Oh my gosh. Hindi siya natakot. Grabe. Uy, urong ka nga dito. Baka mamaya So scary. Yeah. Urong ka nga dito. Ako ang natatakot I'm so scared. Oy! Grabe ka. Wag ka nga dyan. Visit na yung baba. Grabe. Tapang nitong bruha na to, my God. Well, I'll just sit here. I don't like to move because I'm so scared. Visit na yan. Ako ang natatakot
Scared is takot also?
Yeah.
Even is also takot.
Oh, same word?
Yes.
Takot. Takot din is same daw. Sa Indonesian din takot.
Kahit yung payong.
Payong din. The same.
Payong? Umbrella?
Yeah. Oh. Anak. Yeah. Same din. Oh.
May pagkapareha din yung
There are some similar words.
Yesterday I go to Devil Parks. Devil Parks.
Devil?
Yes.
Along?
Yes. But there is
So many people there. Where's that? Devil Pig where? Huh? Yautong. Is it hard to go there or no? It's easy hike also.
Yan lang.
Diyan din.
It's more easy than
Oh, I see. Punta nga tayo.
Yautong.
Ay, lilipat kayo?
Anong sa Yautong?
Yautong.
When family I just followed the video from the chat.
So it's your first time here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Mas maganda yung ano.
For us also, it's our first time. But last time we went to that another stone, that side. There's also one there. Yeah.
But it's better here than there because there's a lot of tree.
Yeah.
how to get.
But you try to go there. Up.
Go the other
Two
side.
times. Two times. Kahit ganito na lang. Binidyo mo? Bakit nakabidyo? Halika na, uwi na tayo.